Hey guys, here and today we're diving into the world of AI and taking a look at something truly mind-blowing, or maybe a little mind-boggling. It's called Sora, and it's an AI model from OpenAI, the folks behind ChatGPT, that can create 1-minute videos from just text prompts. Yeah, you heard that right. You type in a few words and bam, instant mini-movie. This isn't your grandma's text-to-image generator. Sora can conjure up intricate scenes with multiple characters, realistic movements, and detailed backgrounds. Imagine anything you want. A dog surfing on a pizza, a robot exploring a moon base, a historical event recreated in vivid detail, and Sora can bring it to life. This news has the internet buzzing. YouTubers are freaking out, tech geeks are analyzing, and everyone's wondering what this means for the future. But let's be honest, there are also concerns. Deepfakes are already a problem, and now anyone can churn out realistic-looking videos with just a few clicks. Can you imagine the misinformation, the propaganda, the downright chaos? OpenAI isn't taking this lightly. They're working with experts to identify potential risks and developing tools to detect fake videos. They're also engaging with policymakers and artists to explore responsible uses of this technology. So, is Sora a game-changer for content creation or a recipe for disaster? That's the big question. The truth is, it's probably both. Like any powerful tool, it can be used for good or evil. It's up to us as individuals and as a society to decide how we harness this technology and ensure it benefits everyone. What are your thoughts on Sora? Are you excited or scared? Share your opinion in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech talks and thought-provoking content. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future is in our hands. Let's make it a good one.